Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best home workout equipment you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best home workout equipment on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which home workout equipment are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Flybird Adjustable Bench. This is a high cost-effective fashion adjustable bench we designed. Simple design with unique triangle structure, made of heavy-duty commercial quality steel, 600 pounds weight capacity, it gives you an incalculable safety fitness experience, no worry for stability. Suitable for full body workout equipment for home use. Design and produce fitness equipment for 20 years. Especially in weight bench, our designers develop with advice of professional fitness coach, pass all the tests before shipping. Made of commercial thickness steel, pass thousands of weight tests to ensure safety for workout every time, not the mendacious bench. Fashion adjustable bench. Fashion design with triangle structure, made of heavy-duty commercial quality steel, 600 pounds weight capacity give you a safe fitness experience, no worry for stability. Fast adjustment with simple methods, designed with 6 back positions and 4 seat positions for full body workout, you just pull support bar, adjust to the place which fit yourself and all is done. High cost effective bench, used 9.7 in width backrest, and the pad is filled with soft foam and made of high quality leather, fit for up to 5.9 inch, a good choice for primary or middle fitness fanatic. Flybird foldable bench, easy to carry and no assembly needed. Folded size is 31.5 inch, 12.6 inch, 11.8 inch. You can put it in the corner, closet or under the bed when you finish workout. For details, let's watch more. Our second best home workout equipment is Bowflex Max Trainer. If you're not willing to give up your evening TV time, this machine will allow you to stay fit even as you power through your Netflix queue. Max can deliver the cardio benefits of interval training in as little as 14 minutes. Max activates muscle and aids in the burning of calories with every full body workout. Combines an elliptical's low impact motion with the calorie burning power of a stepper. Max's distinct burn rate display indicates how many calories are expended per minute and establishes activity level goals. By creating targets to assist you reach your goals, target zone and burn rate indications stimulate you. The interactive backlit display has 2 exercise routines and 8 resistance levels. Number 3 in our list is Schwinn Recumbent Bike. The Schwinn 270 Recumbent Bike features a vented, padded seat with a sturdy backrest for your comfort. With enhanced Bluetooth connectivity, users can set, track and monitor progress with popular app-based tracking tools like Explore the World, MyFitnessPal, and more. With enhanced Bluetooth connectivity, users can set, track and monitor progress with popular app-based tracking tools. Explore the world and discover 50+ global routes that auto-adjust in real time to your speed. Fully loaded console with dual-track blue backlit LCD screens offers 29 workout programs and visibility to workout metrics, even when the media tray is in use. 25 levels of resistance for a wide range of workout intensity options. Telemetry heart rate enabled and ergonomically placed grip heart rate for a relaxed riding position when using a heart rate program. Ventilated and contoured seat with padded seat bottom and aluminum slider seat rail system with quick and easy lever. High speed, high inertia perimeter weighted flywheel for a smooth and quiet workout. The Schwinn 270 boasts built-in speakers and Bluetooth capability in case you want to listen to a podcast or playlist. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Schwinn Fitness Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike. If you like indoor cycling classes, you'll probably enjoy the Schwinn IC4 Indoor Cycling Bike. While there is no integrated tablet, the bike has a device holder and Bluetooth capabilities, allowing you to stream hundreds of workouts from popular apps such as Peloton, Apple Fitness Plus, and Zwift. The bike also has 100 levels of magnetic resistance and an LCD console for tracking performance metrics such as time, distance, and calories burned. Its dual-sided pedals allow you to use SPD clips or regular athletic shoes. The JRNY experience assesses your fitness level, creates daily adaptive workouts that automatically adjust as you improve over time, and provides coaching and feedback that guides you through your workouts. Use with popular third-party cycling apps like Peloton and Zwift on your smartphone, tablet or smart TV, and, with a JRNY account, during your workouts transmit bike metrics, such as cadence and power, to compatible cycling apps via Bluetooth connectivity. Explore destinations around the world and discover 50+ global routes that auto-adjust in real time to your speed. Magnetic resistance with 100 micro-adjustable resistance levels. Full-color backlit LCD console monitors heart rate, speed, time, distance, calories and RPMs. Dual-link SPD foot pedals come standard with toe cages or clips and adjustable race-style seat. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best home workout equipment list is TRX All-in-One Suspension Trainer. For complete a full body workout anywhere and anytime with this suspension training kit from TRX. This suspension trainers, which have a series of straps and handles, allow you to do a full body resistance workout without using weights. Instead, gravity and your body weight provide resistance during exercises such as lunges, squats, pull-ups, push-ups, and planks. The suspension straps also make workouts more difficult by adding an element of instability to bodyweight moves, allowing you to use more of your core muscles. The TRX's 7 foundational movements, that is push, pull, plank, lunge, hinge, squat and rotate, advance at your own pace into hundreds of exercises. It's time to transform yourself into your fitness best and to transform the way you look, feel and think. Promotes easy setup and versatility, unlike dual anchors. Maximize workout effectiveness without risk of slipping. Built for comfort and durability. Designed for standing and floor-based exercises. The system is ideal for small spaces and people of all sizes and fitness levels because it is lightweight and adjustable. While the company does offer a more advanced kit, the Home 2 system is a good starting point for beginners. TRX suspension training strap, suspension anchor, door anchor, mesh travel pouch, and 35-page workout guide are all included. For details, let's watch more.